Hey everyone! In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to send snaps that can't be saved by your friends on Snapchat. If you value your privacy, this one's for you. Let's get started. Step 1. First, open the Snapchat app and head into the chat of the friend you want to send a snap to. Step 2. Tap their name at the top of the screen to open their profile. Then tap the three dots in the upper right corner and select Chat Settings. Step 3. Next, tap Delete Chats and set it to after viewing. This means the snap and messages will disappear once they're opened, making it harder for anyone to save them. Step 4. When sending, always take snaps inside the app. Avoid sending from your camera roll. Those can be saved or screenshotted more easily. Bonus tips. Avoid using memories. Snaps from memories or your camera roll are more likely to be saved. Watch for screenshot notifications. If your friend tries to screenshot, you'll be notified immediately. Consider view once for photos, videos. When sending media, tap the infinity icon and change it to view once for extra privacy. And that's how to send snaps in 2025 without them being saved by your friends. If this helped, make sure to like and subscribe to How to Tutor for more privacy-friendly tutorials. See you next time!